Hello, I'm Joanne Philip and we are from Group 9 presenting to you our mini project regarding the effect of ocean acidification on the marine ecosystem as a result of climate change. Good day, welcome to Daily Booster News. Our main headline today, USM students keen to prove ocean acidification affect marine ecosystem. Due to human activities, ocean acidification is a result of the increasing levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide dissolving in water to form carbonic acid, which lowers the pH of the ocean. Thus, we will discuss the effect of ocean acidification on aquatic organisms represented by phytoplankton through our experiment. Ocean acidification affects ecosystems. The community relies on the ocean for livelihoods. It reduces the carbonate ion that is required for shell formation. If they can't adapt to ocean acidification, species become endangered. When the basis of the food web is disturbed, the whole food web is affected. In acidified waterways, harmful algae species create more toxins which might be ingested by marine life and will affect humans' health once consumed. Destruction of coral reefs due to ocean acidification will affect the tourism industry, resulting in economic loss. Humans rely on seafood as their source of nutrition. Reduced harvests greatly affect less developed countries, driving migration to more metropolitan areas, resulting in geographical imbalance. For further details, Ms. Pham will tell us more about the experiment.
According to the experiment, the main objective is to raise the community's awareness towards the negative impact of climate change through ocean acidification and how marine life is affected. To perform this experiment, lake water samples containing algae representing phytoplankton in the ocean, distilled water, and 1 mole of sulfuric acid were prepared. These are the apparatus needed for this experiment. Zero dilution was performed to create 4 different molarities of sulfuric acid. 150 ml of lake water with algae was measured and poured into 15 pickles respectively. 5 ml of distilled water was added into replicate A of control set. Next, 5 ml of sulfuric acid at 4 different molarities was poured into the respective pickles. Same procedures were repeated for replications B and C. Lastly, intensity of the algae and color changes of the lake water is observed.
Ms. Pham, how about the results of the experiment?
Color change after adding the acidic solution because the green color chlorophyll was reduced into phytoplankton and turned yellowish brown. Color change after adding the acidic solution because the green color chlorophyll was reduced into phytoplankton and turned yellowish brown. Color change was rapid when the most concentrated acid was added. Over time, transparency of solution becomes higher as biological activities of algae are restricted in an acidic environment. This shows that aquatic producers such as phytoplankton will die if ocean acidification continues. In short, it will disturb the food chain, which leads to the impacts as mentioned earlier.
My goodness, how can we stop ocean acidification?
We can put a stop with education as people will become aware and make sustainable choices.
Oh, I'll reduce energy use and replace it with solar initiative.
You can also reduce carbon footprint.
Sure, I'll take the public transport or carpool instead of using separate vehicles.
Yep, I'm going to practice a plant-rich diet and reduce consumption of meat too.
That sounds great! Oops, we have arrived at the end of today's news session. Let's scan the QR code to test your understanding. Thank you for listening. Goodbye!